Jitterbug's climbing. They're toppling. Yes, we took the traction rug out. She's getting along pretty good on this skating rink. It's good exercise for her little legs anyway. Yeah, easier for us to clean up too. Yeah. Gotta sniff all of the new clean bedding. Yeah. Check it all out. Talk all about it. Oh, I think that was a backflip. Come here, Jitterbug. Come here, Jujubah. Come over here. Jujubah. She can get in and out of the big basket. Maybe when she gets a little bit bigger, Sequoia will teach her basket spinning. Come here, sweetie pie. Come here, Jujubah. She listens about like every other kitty does, huh? Don't you, Jujubah? When I say come here, she just comes right on over. Comes trotting right on over here. Right over here. Yeah. Typical kitty.